The Central Election Committee of Congress has announced the names of candidates for Assam's Lakhimpur, Manipur and Mizoram in the fourth list on March 23. In Assam, the Congress will field Uday Shankar Hazarika from the Lakhimpur Lok Sabha constituency, the party confirmed in its fourth list of candidates released on Saturday. The former BJP leader Hazarika jumped ship in December last year and will come up against Pradhan Barua of BJP in the elections. The roster includes contenders vying for positions in Assam, Andaman, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Mizoram, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and West Bengal. Professor Angomcha Bimol Akhojam and Alfred Kangam S. Arthur has been selected for Inner and Outer Manipur SD respectively, while Lalbyak Jama has been selected for Mizoram SD seat.